How do I kill chickweed in my fescue lawn? And this is from Kevin in Knoxville. So Walter, he wants to kill chickweed.
Well, if you go the chemical route, I
Right.
believe probably something with 2,4-D, I would imagine would take care of that.
Right. Yeah, anything that contains 2,4-D, quinclorac, dicamba. Be careful with dicamba.
Be careful, yeah.
Read the label on that, please. Would take care of that. Read the label.
Read the label.
Fescue is on the label for a lot of these products that contain those active ingredients, because those active ingredients, of course, are broadleaf weed killers.
That's right.
Or how about another route, Miss Kim? Can't you eat chickweed?
Yeah, chickweed is edible.
It is edible. It's high in vitamin A, vitamin C. Doesn't take much soil to grow it, of course.
Right.
Yeah.
There's some options there.
Yeah,
Kendra.
have a party, have a, have all your neighbors over and let them try chickweed.
Right. I mean, most people eat them, like a salad, so
Yep.
you can do that. But I always encourage folks, while we go back to, using chemicals, before we do that, cultural practices.
Sure,
though.
absolutely.
Right. Just grow a good, thick stand of fescue. It'll crowd out, of course, those broadleaf weeds that you have in there, like the chickweed, for example. But yeah, anytime you have high nitrogen, and actually lets you know that, you're going to have chickweed. It's an indicator of high nitrogen in your soils when you have chickweed. So yeah, just cultural practices, thick stand of grass, that should help. If not, there's a chemical route. Or if you like to eat, it is edible.
Eat 'em.
Vitamin A and vitamin C, so how about that? Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.